Handbags here. If you guys are new to my channel or if you're a returning viewer but you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as like this video. Please also make sure to leave a nice comment down below. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. As you can see from the video, guys, I am going to be doing a Sunday switch out. And I was currently in my Guess tote bag in the color powder pink, and I was rocking this bag for the month of October for breast cancer awareness. So you guys will see me do a few switch outs this month. This is in support of breast cancer awareness, but it's also in support of Pink for DJ King. If you have not checked out her channel, I will leave a link for it down below. Please make sure to go over to her channel. If you're not already subscribed, and subscribe, you will love the content. She has an amazing handbag collection. I am going to be switching out of, like I said, my Guess tote bag in the color powder pink. This is in support of Miss Ola May, who has created the hashtag October, which is hashtag capital O, lowercase c, capital TOTE, lowercase BER. Okay, so that is the hashtag for this month, and I'm super excited because you guys know I love a good tote bag. So I am going to share with you guys the bag that I am going to move into, which is none other than my Victoria's Secret Iconic Scribe Signature tote bag, and this is in the pink signature scribe. I do have an unboxing for this, so I will try to leave that video link down below as well too. This bag does not have any feet, but it does have the black faux leather bottom. And I will be switching into this beautiful bag this month for Pink for DJ King as well as October for Ola May. And I will make sure to leave Miss Ola May's channel link down below as well too. If you hadn't checked out her channel or subscribed to her channel, please make sure to do so. You will love her channel, okay? Now, I'm just going to share with you guys really quickly the setup of this bag. So this is how it looks. I have my umbrella on top. I had to throw this in here, guys, because it did start raining a little bit this week. And this is just how it looks. And I do already have a what's in my bag in here for you guys, so I will try to leave that video link below as well too. But these are just my accessories that I have in the bag, and I'm just going to swap out of these and into my Victoria's Secret accessories, and I will share those with you as well too. So we're gonna go ahead and get into that. The wallet, I'm not gonna do the swap for the wallet on camera. I will do that off camera. But this is all the accessories. Now, I did have this in here, guys, because I was going to throw my keys in here, but I never end up doing it. So I may end up doing that for this one, but if not, this won't be in there. I do want a pink one, though. I see that they do have another leather in those on the Dooney channel. So I may have to check that out on the Dooney channel. On the Dooney website, I see that they do have another leather for the small coin cases. Now, this is my Guess shoulder strap for this bag here. I'm just taking that out just to show you guys. And then, of course, my Victoria's Secret wristlet with my shop keys on it, my pen, and then in the slip pockets, I just have my lotion and my flashlight. So I believe that is everything out of this bag, except for my checkbook. Okay, and then the only other thing is the mirror that I have in that front pocket. So we're gonna go ahead and do a quick switcheroo. All right. And I will be taking all these off as well too. I don't think I'm gonna use this because I have something that I can use, but the hand sanitizer as well too. All right. So that is everything out of this bag. So let's go ahead and get set up for the next bag. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and switch everything into this bag, and I'm just going to pull things out. So this is the wallet that I am going to use, but that's just going to be for the overflow. This is going to be my main wallet, or card case I should say. I will put my ID on the back, and then my main cards in here, and then all the overflow will go in here. But like I said, I will do this off camera. And then the other pouches that I have in here, this is my bombshell pouch from Victoria's Secret. It's one of their cosmetic ones, and it does have that iconic signature stripe on the back wall, and it is see-through on the front. So I'm thinking that I may use this as my catch-all pouch, and then I'm going to use this pouch, which I got in friend mail from the Novel Crown, and I will probably use this as my tech pouch. So it does have two slip pockets here on the front outside wall, and then two mesh pockets on the back wall, but there's no inside front pocket. So I'll probably use that for that. And then the last one that I have in here is another cosmetic one from Victoria's Secret. It is see-through, and I will probably use this as my bathroom pouch. So I'm probably going to fast forward through all of this as I switch everything over, but let's go ahead and start swapping things out. Alright guys, that was my Sunday switch out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, as well as make sure to leave a nice comment down below. And let me know, do you have the Victoria's Secret Iconic Stripe Signature tote bag? If you do, how do you guys like it? Is it too big for you or too small? I love it. It's the perfect size for me. I'm able to throw everything that I need inside this bag. As you guys can see, this is the current setup of the bag right now. And I do have to add a few more items in this as well too, like my iWalk chargers and stuff. I do have to add that, but right now they're on the charger. But until the next time, guys, please make sure to stay focused and determined on achieving your goals for the day. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.